Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Google AI Studio to transform the text to become the audio speech. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So we usually know that this ElevenLabs.io usually can help us to transform or generate the text to become a voice. For example,
Lights will
like
guide you
this.
home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
And surprisingly, the Google also offer us that this Google AI Studio can help us to transform the text to become the audio. So the first step you can do is you can access this Google, or you can open it from the Google Chrome over here, and you can simply type this Google Studio or Google AI Studio, and you can simply open it, and it usually direct you into the login page. So don't forget to do the sign up or login first with your Google account, and after that it will direct you into this home page. As you can see, there are the several tools over here, and you can also choose the settings to become Gemini 2.5 Pro, and also you can adjust the temperature and also the resolution, and also you can get introduced or also do your experiment when you do the activate of every toggle over here. And since we would like to create the audio speech from the text, then we can choose this generate media, and I will choose this Gemini speech generation. And as you can see here, that this Google AI Studio will help you to create the audio speech that contains maybe one speaker or multi-speaker. And for example, I will show you how to create the single speaker audio. For example, I will paste the lyric of the Coldplay over here, and after that you can choose the model settings, let's say to become this one, and also the voice you can choose over here, or the people who narrate of this text. And if you have any preference, then you can choose one of these options, and after that you can click run the prompt, and kindly wait until this AI will help you to transform this text to become a voice.
You home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
I will play it for you again, guys.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
So what do you think? Isn't that very natural about her voice, right? So you can try this Google AI Studio as your alternative, and don't worry because this audio also can be downloaded. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Google AI Studio, and I hope your work can go well by using this Google AI Studio. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.